Hi guys, here 7 plus 7 is 14 divided by 7 plus this 7 times this 7. Here 14 divided by 7 is 2 plus this 7 times 7. Here 2 plus 7 is 9 times 7. Here 9 times 7 is 63 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations, this 63 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is the higher priority bracket. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, this bracket is higher priority. We don't have a bracket in this problem. The next priority is exponent. Here, exponent also not there in the problem. Next is multiplication and division. Here we have addition, division, addition and multiplication. Here division and multiplications are both are equal priority. Also the next priority is addition and subtraction. So we have to do before this addition and this addition, this division and multiplication. So here 7 plus 7 divided by 7 is 1 plus 7 times 7. Here we have addition and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this additions. So 7 plus 1 plus this is 7 times 7 is 49. Here we have both are addition. So we can do this first. 8 plus 49. This 8 plus 49 is 57 is the correct answer.